So, contents of a bag from a bow steel calving gate. We've got our chain and your two eye bolts. We've got our socket and cap. We've got our hangers, brace bar bracket, and our rope. So we'll start off with the hangers. So the hangers are what go on the top and bottom of the head yoke for bolting onto a wall or a girder. So you can put either 2 bolts or 1 bolt, whatever you need. Then we've got our socket and cap. So on the bottom of each head yoke, we've got our drop down leg. So if you're doing a new build, or if you don't have access to a big drill bit, you can concrete in that socket into the ground. Then there's a cap to stop all the muck from going into it. But probably the best way to do it if you're installing a gate in an existing shed is to get a 2-inch, 50mm bit and drill a hole that corresponds with the leg. You can still use the cap then to fill the hole when the gate is not being used. The brace bar bracket, so on top of each gate we've got a brace bar that goes onto the wall, onto the top of the gate, up the head yoke, and we've got our bracket that can be bolted or whatever you want to fix it onto the wall. We've got a rope that just attaches onto the head yoke for pulling the lock and bar closed, and then we have our chain and eye bolts. So at the back of each gate we've got these 2 diagonal slots, and the chain fits in there. So when you set everything up, mark the 2 corresponding places on the wall. You're going to drill them and put in these eye bolts if it's a concrete wall. If it's not a concrete wall, you can maybe take this apart and bolt it straight through a panel, or get some other type of eye bolt. But generally for a concrete wall, put in your 2. And the reason there's 2 is, so the lower one is, say if you're putting a calf to suck and you want a good tight grip around the back of the cow. If you're putting on ropes of a calf with their legs sticking out, and you don't want, if the cow goes down, you don't want the chain to be in your way down here, you put it up high. Okay, that's it.